Guys, today we're gonna unbox Hilook DVR 4 channel 2 megapixel, and also we're gonna show you how you're gonna fix hard drive inside. So it's a Hilook DVR 4 channel. So as you can see here, it's a 4 channel, and so I'm gonna unboxing. That's our 4 channel DVR. You can see here is 4 ports for BNC connectors, audio and video, 1 VGA, 1 HDMI, 1 Ethernet, and 2 for like mouse, and 1 power. So we're gonna fix hard drive inside. We're gonna open it and then we're gonna fit inside hard drive. But before we're gonna install hard drive, let's see what comes else with it. In this, it's 1 adapter for power supply, 2 cables for hard drive, and one mouse with it. So we need these cables for installing hard drive. So I'm gonna install hard drive in 4 channel DVR. So I'm gonna show you how we can install easily hard drive inside. So first of all, you can see it's 1 screw here, 1 screw here, 1 here, and same 1 here. So it's overall is 4 screw. We need to open the 4 screw first. So yeah, when you open it, then you can see inside it's a 1 board, and you need to connect the cables. I'm gonna show you where you want to connect the cables. So here we have a hard drive, Seagate's hard drive. So that's our Seagate hard drive. First open the blue cable. Then your cables go like that. And then open another cable. This one black side is go with hard drive, and the other side is go on board. So when you put it, it's gonna sound like a click. So after that, we just need to put it inside. You can see here we have 2. One is white and one is like in aluminium. So we're gonna press black cable in aluminium one. We just need to see the direction. And also it's come with 4 screw for hard drive. So it's easy for you if you do screw first hard drive. You have a four screw for hard drive. First screw it and you can see behind screws come out, and then you just flip it downside. So if you put before, so you can just swap it and lift it down and then just tighten the screws. So as you can see, it fixed. So what we need to do, we need to put it back, its cover. DVR is ready for installation. As you can see, it's go back on the original condition. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the label, our company label on this. It's like basically it's work like a seal. If someone else open it and tell us it's not hard drive inside and stuff like that, so we know if the label is removed, so we know someone is open already. So what we're gonna do, we have labels, so we're gonna install all labels on it. That's our company seal now. Thank you so much for watching my video. This DVR is ready for installation. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.